morning everyone. Today's session will be conducted by Grade IX Jasper.
I'm in the Grade IX Jasper algorithm. A step-by-step procedure or an instruction to solve a problem or complete a task. I repeat it again. A step-by-step procedure instruction to solve a problem or complete a task. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's input is brought to you by Grade IX Jasper. National and international news is brought to you by aid from Grade IX Jasper. International news. NASA uncovers mysterious exoplanet red carbon floats can form diamonds. National news. ISRO says to launch next generation communication satellite. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's trailer is brought to you by Grade IX Jasper. Sport news. Vijay Hazare Trophy, Kohli, Rohit and Gill at Star Award to National Hockey Championship. State news. Telangana government announces 90% interest on CHMC property. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Hockey of Grade IX Jasper. Minimum temperature 60.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29.7 degrees Celsius, humidity 70%, wind speed 6.1 km per hour. Thank you. That's all for today's news bulletin. Good morning everyone. Today's call is brought to you by Ashna from Grade IX Jasper. Mathematics reveals its secrets only to those who approach it with pure love for its own beauty. I repeat it again. Mathematics reveals its secrets only to those who approach it with pure love for its own beauty. Thank you. Have a great day.
He was born 324 BCE. He is often called the father of geometry. He used basic ideas called actions and postulates to create solid proofs and figure out odd new ideas called theorems and propositions. By studying using geometry, you can research, think better, solve problems more efficiently. Thank you.
My name is Bhavya and I am from Grade IX Jasper. Today I am going to ask you a question about math. Question for grade 7. Is a triangle of sides of length 3, 4 and 5, what type of triangle is it? I am repeating my question. Is a triangle of sides of length 3, 4 and 5, what type of triangle is it? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is scaling triangle. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 8. I am an odd number. Remove a letter from me. I become even. What number am I? 7. Yes, you picked the right answer. Answer is 7. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 9. What is the value of 6 factorial? I will repeat my question. What is the value of 6 factorial? 720. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 720. Let us appreciate it. Open question for all. Question number 1. Which three numbers will give the same answer when they are